Hey, what's going on, everybody? You know who it is, JJ. Once again, we're back at it. Yeah, on my way to the salvage yard here with my dad. About to go get a bumper for this car and then drop it off to the body shop. So I'll show you guys. Me. We're gonna get the bumper, then I'm gonna show you where I drop the cars off to get my body work done. If you're here locally in Oklahoma and want to get it done. Also, gonna come back and look at some prices on Copart. So let's get to it. And little advice to you guys, sometimes you have to slow down to speed up. So I'm gonna say that again. Sometimes you have to slow down to speed up. But let's get to it. Go to the salvage yard, check out some prices on Copart. Then we're gonna drop the car off to the shop and let you guys see who I use. And we're gonna show you the before, and then I'm gonna show you after. I don't know if I'm gonna have them painted. I don't know if I just want to have them put the bumper on and just straighten everything up, and then take it somewhere else to get it painted. I don't know. I'll see what he's talking about. Maybe I'll just have the paint touched up, or maybe won't paint it and just sell it as is. If I don't have too much money invested, I really don't have much money invested in the car, but it just depends, because the car does have like a power steering leak from somewhere, and I don't know, so I'll just pay the mechanic to do that, and then pay the body man to do that. So depends on how much money I got invested in it. Depends on if I want to get it painted or not. So, but let's get to it. We got Lucky in the building over here, man.
Yay! We out here, man.
What advice you got to give to the people today, Lucky?
Man, stay on your grind, stay on your hustle, man. And don't let no one stop you. Get your rest if you have to, but shit, don't be lazy. And just keep grinding, man. Just keep pushing, man.
Yeah, you pulled up on us with the Impala on us, man.
I got Lala out here, man. I cleaned her up, too.
Yeah, you got logos everywhere on there.
Oh, yeah.
I need to get my logo on my car. Came up on me, man. He still don't want to race, though. He still don't want to race, though.
Oh, yeah. We got that turbo up under the hood.
Oh, yeah. That turbo up under the hood.
That big boy turbo. We got to strap it down with this turbo.
Oh, yeah. With the sports wheels on there.
Oh, shit. Those like $2,000 a piece.
Yeah, $2,000. He still don't want no smoke, though. So I'm going to get my logos put on here somewhere.
Damn, the rims worth more than the car.
Nah, them is hubcaps, man.
They worth more than the car.
Probably is. Wouldn't doubt it.
Well, you pay like $150 for this car, and then what? $200 for the hubcap rims.
Nah, I'm gonna get my logos put on here, so when I'm riding around, people know, like, hey, like, man, he got a YouTube channel, but he drive this. I'm like, yep, this is. That's what they gonna be like. He got a YouTube channel, but he drive this. I'm like, you know it, me.
This one don't look that bad though.
Nah, it don't look that bad now that it got some hubcaps on it. Before the hubcaps, it looked kind of bad, but now it look.
I'm gonna have to spray paint these backs for you.
Yeah, spray.
Pop them off, spray paint them black, and pop them back on. Make it look better.
Oh yeah, I'm about to get out to the salvage yard. At the salvage yard, gotta getting the radio out of this Cobalt. Gonna get us a radiator out of this Pontiac right there. Look at that thing. Somebody put a brand new radiator in there. That sucks. Look at that. Somebody still got the tag on it. Put a radiator on it. Now we looking for a Trailblazer though. Need a Trailblazer front bumper. Most of the ones I already seen, they already took them off of there. But see, this is the side of the grind that people don't show you, man. They don't show you going to the salvage yard. They don't show you. This is all the Trailblazer bumpers missing. Trying to get one that's black. This is that grind right here. This is the real grind. Man, they look at that. Every Trailblazer I've seen from bumping it, got taken off of there. I guess that's why they're so high at Certifit. And Certifit know you ain't coming out here in the salvage yard and finding one. And if you do, you just got lucky. So maybe we get lucky. Yeah, the grind, this is the grind right here, coming out here with the toolbox in the heat. And luckily it ain't hot though. Lucky the weather done got back to, it's basically becoming somewhat winter. Okay. So we got a gold bumper right here. So got a gold bumper, so that's worst case scenario. We at least got a gold one. try to find the black one. So we ain't gotta. Y'all can see the train going. Don't know where it's going to, but it's going somewhere. Oh, look at that. We got lucky. We got somebody that black bumper right there. These bumpers don't even look like. Okay, they put their own little screws in there, so screws. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Found me a bumper. What roll we on? Oh yeah, we in the game. What roll is we on? I'm gonna get my toolbox, grab this bumper, and we're gonna get back to get that radio and go to the shop, and we're gonna be in and out quickly. You know? Then boom, that's 3 cars we're gonna be ready here shortly. What roll we on? We're on 802. So found what we looking for. So, you know, off about to hurry up and knock this out, and then we're gonna be out of here at this auction. I mean, then we're gonna go to Copart and look up some stuff at Copart. So, you know, we'll be in and out here pretty quickly, man. That's sometimes you like about the auction, man. You can get in and out here quickly. You know, so let's get to it. So, my uncle's in there getting the radio. He the one working on the Pontiac. So I got a bumper, $35. Core is $5. Radio is $10, and they charged me $5 for the little bracket on the radio. And then it was a sales tax that came, and then I guess the environment charge of $1.20. They don't let down, do it? Nah, they let down. I don't know if I was gonna be able to fit because them tires in my trunk. So ended up spending $60. Man, $5 for a bracket. They could just charge that $10 all being connected to the radio. But that's all. Let's get to the lot. Look at that Copart. They got the drive wholesale. Hundreds of vehicles available every week. Tuesday at 11 a.m. Central Time. They look at it. They clean, no damage. Clean title, no damage vehicles. So you got that going on in Copart too. And if you didn't know, anybody can sign up for Copart. It doesn't have to be you. I mean, you don't have to be a dealer to sign up for Copart. You can be public and buy cars. So you don't have to be a dealer to sign up for Copart, but let's hop into some auctions right quick and get you guys a little, let's get you guys a little footage. Where you want to go at? Might need to do Copart on a different day when they have different states. Let's see. Let's go to the calendar. So you can see on Wednesday and see. What y'all think? What day would y'all prefer me to do this? Can't do it on Friday. It'll be hard for me to do it on Wednesday. I mean, I can do like the later on ones Wednesday, like, you know, like Philadelphia. These ones that happen later on Wednesday. So I can need to do Wednesday, Thursday. Let me know below. Maybe I can do the Friday after the auctions. So let me know if y'all see it. If you see a state on here that you guys see.
Dead.
It's dead. So them's the 9 a.m. ones. Here's the 11 a.m. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And then here's the 12 p.m. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So, and then we got the later ones at 1, 2. I mean at 1. Then you got these at 2. You have these later at 8 p.m. So you got these 9 a.m. That just basically starts back the week. But those are all the ones. So so I can probably get to like the 12s and the 1s and the 2s on Wednesdays and Fridays. So if you see anything on Wednesday and Friday that y'all guys might want me to hop in and see the price of the Copart, just let me know in the comments below. But let's just check into one of these auctions. You know, let's go. Let's go right here since this one's already going. And if y'all didn't know, that's my name, Al Murray Jr. Yes, I have an old person's name. This. They got a bus coming through here. See if we can get some. 2005. Normal wear and tear, minor runs and drive. Bus. That's a big old bus. That's a big bus. So runs and drives. Diesel. Odometer rolled over. So it's got a hell of a, so it's got a lot of miles on there. And all the miles in the world. 7,200. Somebody in Nova Scotia trying to buy it. Nova Scotia and Ontario bidding against each other. Let's get any other pictures. Okay, that's where that vehicle is located at. Let's see. They gonna sell it for 7,400. Sold on a call for 7,400. So next, man, boy, it's 2 buses now. It's the 04. Runs and drives. Odometer rolled over. So it's basically the same as the other one. So over 1 million miles. Clean title. Got the little car running and driving across there. Atlantic Canada auction. Yeah, let's we'll finish out this and then we'll hop in something else right quick. And somebody from Nova Scotia about to get it. 6,900 on approval. They're probably gonna sell it for 6,900. I would. I mean, with all those miles. And I don't know if those things actually work, but now we got this one. Runs and drives. Primary damage is all over. 2013 Chrysler 200. Vehicle's been sold as is. And can't really try to take some of the glare out of here. There we go. Scoot to a better position, get some of the glare out. Oh, it got damaged. That's the primary damage to there. The windshield, 91,000 miles. It's a run and drive. Salvage title. 2013 really ain't that bad. I mean, he's talking about primary damage. This is the main damage I see, the windshield and that. But Chrysler 200, the thing about those, they don't really hold any value or anything like that. Was it the right radio or the wrong radio?
I don't know. I see how you motherfuckers supposed to do it unless they cut the take the bracket out. Something missing.
Something.
Look at me, man. That's the right radio. There's only one radio going to motherfucker.
This is that radio or the one without the aux, but I'm pretty sure they all both in the same way.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure they.
Ain't no holes in both the motherfuckers unless they cut the bracket.
Yeah.
Cut the bracket out when they put that other bullshit in it. One thing I can see.
Uh, 2020 Honda Civic, 18,000 miles. Biohazard. Ooh, look at that car. Look at that. Can you get a look at that. Look at that damage on there. And they say it runs and drives though, but
What do you mean biohazard? If I'm in a lake or something?
Bar has something under the water or something.
Yeah.
$6,700. A lot of work for that price. Just look at that. You got that whole roof that you gotta fix. Windshield. That look like you need a hood. Sold for $7,000. Let's hop in somewhere else right quick. No, let's not hop in anywhere right quick. Yeah, we're not gonna hop into another auction. I'm about to go drop this car off. So I'm about to go drop this car off and at the shop. Yeah, that's what we have to go do. Let's go drop this car off. Look at where we at. Kale Loop. At my shop. Y'all gonna be like, oh, that's Lucky's mechanic shop. Well, you can say that, because Lucky uses them more than I do now. But at first it was my mechanic shop. Then I introduced Lucky to him because he was looking for a good mechanic, so I introduced him. Look at that, we got a Melly's World card out here. I don't know if Lucky's somewhere around here. This is my first time seeing this car up close. This thing is clean. I ain't trying to get hit in the street. Let's get a good walk around of this thing. That looks nice. Got the decals on there. You got hers in color. Just see, that makes it pop out. But if y'all haven't already, you know, go subscribe to Melly's World as well. You know. But yeah, we're gonna look at this Trailblazer. Y'all gonna see the before. You know, that's what it looks like before. Don't know if I will get it painted. I might just have them like paint the hood black, straighten the bumper, straighten the hood, and probably paint this fender, and probably just touch up any little spots. You know, probably won't do the full paint. Just, you know, paint that black, match it up, and just touch it up as best as you can. But yeah, you know, we're here at my body man shop, the mechanic shop. Gonna get their car worked on. Got a little power steering leak. Gonna have them fix that. Fix the body work on it. You know, probably paint the hood and paint the bumper. And then, but yeah, appreciate you guys for tuning in. You know, I'm gonna try to go to Copart next week and do an actual walk around. And then I'll probably just dedicate Tuesday and just let that be Copart day, or Wednesday. You know, I'll put the list of all the Coparts that go on from, you know, each day. So if it's one in your state or in your nearby area that you want me to do, just let me know. If you guys want me to do it on Wednesday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday. You know, on Wednesday and Friday they'll have to be out there like 1 p.m. because I'll be at the auction. But Tuesdays and Thursdays, more of a free day for me, more of the days I can just sit and relax. But yeah, just let me know in the comments below. Appreciate you guys. I'm out. Peace.